What's up, guys? I have for you today a lockpicking set unboxing. It's a Toplina from Amazon, only $19.99. It comes with what you see pictured here. Looks like a couple clear locks so you can learn the picking, some swiper tools, and then increasing the difficulty as it states there by covering up to pick it blindly. No, I don't know all the names for the pieces in this set, but this is again just supposed to be real brief, showing you what you get for the money. So in this particular set, you get a nice case, faux leather, some packages, sounds like the locks that you get in it, and a little booklet. Helps if it's right side up, right? Here's some of the pieces, quick user guide. Looks like it explains to you about how the core is working on the pins. Again, like I said, I'm not very articulate, nor do I know much about this. This is just a new thing for me. I watch a lot of the lockpicking lawyer on YouTube. Go check them out as well. Big shout out for the inspiration, taking up a new hobby. So this is one of the lockpicking cores you get. This is the pins and springs, and then this shield helps to make it more challenging once you've kind of started to get the feel. Oop, there's something else in there. Course key. So I think these are dimple pin. The key looks like a dimple pin lock. They would go in here like that. Open the core like that. So cool. Doesn't open that side. There. Here it is. Oh, the padlock comes with a key. And the difficulty shield, they call it. It's a very light acrylic, super lightweight padlock, but it is clear, again, to help learn how to pick it. And then in here you get all the different picking tools. Here's looks like one swiper bar. I have no clue what this is for, other than it being large forms of swiper tool. Looks like you have different picks. Here's a swiper there. On the other side, there's more swiper tools. Rakes, wave rakes, it looks like. And that's that. That's what you get for 20 bucks.